Now, triangle and its properties. Another concept is exterior angle property. Already you know that sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Next, one more concept, this one, exterior angle property. What is the meaning of exterior angle property? That means an exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. What is this inner meaning? That means here this angle and this angle and here angle is called by the interior angles of a triangle. Sum of its interior opposite angles. What is inner meaning? That means here angle and here angle are called by the interior angles of a triangle. Any one side is produced. Then here some angle will be formed. This angle is called by the exterior angle of the triangle. In the same manner, A side BA produced here some exterior angle. Then inner meaning is angle of ACD. Here the angle you find out. How to find out? That means angle of ABC. Here angle plus here angle. Both angles if we add it, for suppose this is 45 degrees, this is 30 degrees. Then this angle will be 75 degrees. This is the inner meaning of exterior angle property. Exterior angle property, that means any one side is produced, then that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Same manner, here two problems I am given. Once you observe it, how to solve? Here x degrees 65 degrees, here y, here 135 given. Find x and y. Find x and y. How to solve them is just before I explained. Here BC is produced. Then here some angle will be formed. This angle how much? 135 degrees. This 135 degrees is equal to the x plus 65. X plus 65 based upon this concept. X plus 65 equal to 135. X equal to 135 minus 65, that equal to 70 degrees. So here angle how much is there? Means 70 degrees. Same manner, how to find out the y? Here two concepts are there. If you take 180 minus 135 you do, otherwise 70 plus 65. How much? 70 plus 65, 135. Sum of the angles is 180 degrees. 180 minus 135. How much? 10 minus 5, 5. Here 17 minus 3. How much? 45 degrees. So y value how much is there? Means 45 degrees. So y equal to 45 degrees. This is the first problem. Second problem. Here also same concept. Here one side is produced. Here some angle will be formed. That value y degrees. Now this is the one line. This will be the one line. Here how much angle there is? 92 degrees. Then find out x degrees and y degrees. How to find out there? Means here 90 degrees equal to here angle also 92 degrees. What is the reason? There means vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So this is also 92. Now here you observe this is the triangle. Here two arrow marks are there. What is the inner meaning of these two arrow marks? That means isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, that means two sides are equal. When will two sides are equal? That means that opposite angles are also equal. This side opposite angle will be x degrees. Similarly, this side opposite angle also x degrees. What is your concept? That means in isosceles triangle, opposite angles are equal. Based upon concept, here x degrees, this is also x degrees. Now x plus x plus 92 equal to how much is there? Means 180. 2x equal to 180 minus 92. that equal to 2x equal to 10 minus 2, 8 2. Here how much is 17? 17 minus 9, 88 degrees. So x equal to how much is there means 44 degrees. So in the place x value how much is there means 44 degrees. This is the exterior angle. Exterior angle y equal to 44 plus 92. That equal to 4 plus 2, 6, 9 plus 4, 136 degrees. So in the place y equal to 136 degrees. Now, this problem once you observe it, one of the exterior angles of a triangle is 120 degrees and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 1:5. Find the angles of the triangle. Here very important is exterior angle. How much given? 120 degrees. And interior opposite angles are in the ratio given, not by the measurements, not by the angles. Ratio of the angles given. This type of questions are given, that means immediately draw the figure. You draw figure. This is the ABC triangle for suppose. Now exterior angle given. Before already explained. Exterior angle how to form, that means any one side is produced. Then this angle is called by the exterior angle. This angle how much given, that means 120 degrees. Now and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio. This angle equal to sum of this angle and this angle. But angles are in the ratio. Angles are in the ratio. How much given there means 1:5. So this when we given ratios there means if you remove the ratio there means let angles are. How much you take there means x degrees and this is 5, that means 5x degrees. So this will be x degrees if you consider this one, if you take 5x degrees. Now you know already exterior angle equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. X plus 5x equal to 120, 6x equal to 120. So x value how much is there means 20 degrees. That means this angle value will be 20. This angle will be automatically 100 degrees. 25 is 100. 100 plus 20, 120. Now this angle how much is there means 100 plus 20 plus angle of ACB equal to 180. 100 plus 20, 120. Therefore angle ACB equal to 180 minus 120, that equal to 60 degrees. So here angle how much is there means 60 degrees. Otherwise one more concept. This is 120 degrees, there means this is automatically 60 degrees because this is the linear pair. This will be the linear pair. This is the one more model question. Now here you observe it. This is the one more model. Here find out in the figure, find the values of x and y. X and y. How to find out that means here y equal to, in this triangle, this angle will be exterior angle. So y equal to 50 plus 30. That equal to 80 degrees. Now come to this triangle. Here one more small triangle. Y value 80 degrees. So here value how much? 80. In this triangle, x degrees is the exterior angle of this triangle. So x equal to 80 plus 55. That equal to 135 degrees. This model also very important. You like this video, please share, subscribe and comment it. Thank you.